Friends, so today we'll start database connectivity JDBC. Okay, I mean to say how to connect a Java file with the database. Okay, so very first time we have to download drivers. Okay, so I'm just using Microsoft SQL server. So for this server we have to download Microsoft drivers. So just using Google and use Microsoft JDBC drivers driver. Okay, download it. Okay, so here is some links. Open this, visit this links. Okay, opening. Okay, anyone? I think my speed is slow. Yes, so you can download from there. Okay, download. Okay, click on the file name and next, and then start to download. Okay, all files. When you download this file, JDBC, download this file and open it any location. Like I open this, I explore this. Where is my program? I stored it software. Okay, and then I explore it JDBC JDK 7 download. SQL JDBC 4-2.0 jar. Okay, now store it and now open your file. Okay, your Eclipse. So open new Java project, write any name, just suppose JDBC test JDBC. Okay, next, and use this file, use downloaded file. Just go to the libraries, add external jars and search this file. My file is here, SQL JDBC. Open, so it is connected with your project. Finish. Okay, next, new package, write anything, JDBC pack. Okay, finish. Now right click, new class and use any class name. Use any class name like test JDBC. Okay, any problem? I think no. Wait. Okay, so to start the program you have to import some files which support the SQL server. So import java dot SQL. Okay, so I write the public static void main and this package. Okay, so firstly I use connection. Okay, connection class, connection. Okay, which is derived from SQL java.sql. I define this connection. equal to null. Okay, you can write anything. I just write connection, you can use anything. Okay, now use try in try block and use string variable string. I create a object and create a connection string for this SQL server. Okay, so starting JDBC was the server, SQL server, SQL server, server server, SQL server. Now localhost and a port number 1433. It depends on your SQL your types. So if you confused what's the port number, just you I just suggest you have to Google for this. You have to search on the Google, okay, for the connection string, and then database name. Okay, my database is master. Okay, then terminate it. Okay, fine. Any problem? I think should not be. So connection, the variable of the connection class. Okay, connection and equal. Here is another class, driver manager dot get connection. Okay, and the pass URL is my defined variable. Okay, URL, and if your database is protected, then you have to pass ID and password. Okay, in double quote. Okay, fine. String. Now you can write your query. Which do you want? You want to select, you want to delete, you want to update, anything you want. So string str equal. I have a table emp. So I just want to access all fields from this table. Select star from emp. Okay, next I have another class statement. Which is also derived from SQL package. Okay, statement st. Okay, now connection dot create statement. Okay, now justify the statement. Okay, now you have to use a result set. Result set is a virtual memory which contain the result. Okay, result set and st dot execute query. Okay, and now pass the str. What is the query? Query is my select star from emp, and it is the object of str. So here is to pass str. Okay, enter. Right, now your query is done. Now you have to print. Okay, the times is print. How to print your table? So we use while loop. Okay, my query is where rs, my table is in rs. Okay, and rs contain the rows. Okay, so rs until have the rows, it will run, otherwise it will terminate. Okay, so use system dot out dot print. Okay, not println, print. Okay, just check what's the field in the master. I just open my SQL server. Wait. Okay, so I just open my SQL. Okay, my login name is SA and my password is SQL. Connect and just check it is opening. Yes. Now wait. Okay, so my database is master. I selected my database is master. Okay, so where is database master? In system database master table, and my table name is emp. So just open it, right click and add it to 100 rows. I just want to watch the record. Okay, my table is emp. First column name is id, second name, and third is the salary. Okay, so just come into the Java program, and here I will use how to print. Here I will use any method how to print these 3 columns. Okay, so for this I just write print. Okay, and my value in rs, so rs dot what, get int. Okay, get int, and the column index, it is totally showing index, so my index is 1. Okay, now just copy and paste. Okay, I have 3 columns. So second is my string, so string. Okay, and the column is 2, and the third is also in integer, so column name is 3. Okay, right, fine. So it's a while, it's a try, now is a catch. Okay, catch, and I use catch for exception. If it will show, it will throw an exception, then we can capture it. Okay, so use anything e or system.exit, print stack, throwable, and its backtrack to the specified print writer. Okay, I will discuss later about it, what it is. So system.exist. System.exit. Okay, terminate for the termination status. You can use this statement in finally block also. Okay, but now I'm using exception. So 2. It is not mandatory. I just comment it. Okay, and now print it. What will happen? Yes. Wait. Yes. You can watch. You can see ID, name, then salary. Okay. Is the what is this? This is a unstructured. Okay. You have to structure it. So every statement, every circle, you have to print statement in the next line. So you just use another print statement. System dot out dot print ln. Okay, here you will use print ln. Okay, run this program. Okay, you can watch every line, every row in display in a different rows. Okay, but here is also a problem because all columns with does not have any gap. So for the gap you can use space also. Okay, now run this program. Okay, so it's a simple program, it's a simple connection program. You just see it and try to create it. If you face any problem, then call me. Okay, anytime call me or mail me. Okay, so firstly you have to create this program, and secondly you have to follow this poster. Okay, bye bye, thank you.